Welcome to an introduction to choice-based open course offered to 5th semester students of other departments. Myself, Dr. Ansil PN, Assistant Professor in Biochemistry. The open course offered by the Department of Biochemistry is Lifestyle Diseases. The number of credits are 2 and hours per week 3, and the total expected contact hours are 54. The course outcomes are the following: to create general awareness about the various diseases associated with lifestyle, prevention of these diseases by lifestyle modification. The course also covers the general aspects of diagnosis, methods of prevention, and pharmaceutical intervention. The learners will be capable to interpret the results of common lab diagnosis test. The major reason for death are communicable diseases like diseases caused by bacteria, virus, parasite, etc. Similarly, non-communicable diseases are also there, like cardiovascular diseases, cancer, chronic respiratory diseases, diabetes, etc. Over 61% of all deaths in India attributed to lifestyle or non-communicable diseases. More than 1.73 million new cancer cases likely to be recorded each year by 2020. India ranks second in the list of countries with highest diabetes patients. Every 12th Indian a diabetic. More than 2.7 million people in India die of heart diseases every year. 52% of them are at the age of 30 to 69. How to overcome the threat of non-communicable diseases? First method is create public awareness. That is the most important part. Second one is lifestyle modification, healthy diet, regular exercise, etc. And third one is the treatment using drugs. The syllabus and overview. 6 modules are there. The first module deals with the general awareness, in which you can see the basic biochemistry, lifestyle, food habits, etc. Unit 2 describes about atherosclerosis. Unit 3 about diabetes mellitus. Unit 4 about cancer. Unit 5 about renal diseases or nephritis. Unit 6 deals with liver diseases. In all these, the causes, diagnosis and management of diseases are explained. The intended learners are those who have basic knowledge of biology. Otherwise, it will be difficult to follow the topic as it includes several medical terms and definitions. And those who are regular to the class and those who are interested to take efforts to expand the horizon of knowledge. To conclude, dear students, please opt the open course according to your interest and taste. It's a great opportunity to learn a different subject from other department than your own. Please make use of it and wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.